I left Coleraine with mutual consent, and I was just looking for a next challenge. Nick and John and Lee got in touch, had a chat with them, and had a chat with a few other clubs higher up the kind of football chain in terms of league and stuff, some in Wales and some in England, some in Scotland. But when I spoke to Nick and I spoke to Lee, especially, and obviously the manager, John, that the project here is something that excited me. Something that once I heard it and once I spoke to them and they kind of showed their passion for it, it was something that really excited me, that I thought I wanted to be a part of. So after I'd spoken to them, it was pretty quick after that. My agent and Nick and Lee and the manager kind of agreed everything pretty quick, and it's been a bit of a whirlwind since. So, but I'm excited to be here. I need to come here and I need to do well. That's part and parcel of it. I need to come here and do my job. As long as I do that, then yeah, it's a long-term project for Nick and for Lee and for the manager. It's probably well documented for the chairman that his aspirations is Welsh Prem, and obviously we've got 2 tiers to sort out and try and win before that. But that is the goal. That's the project, and obviously I've got quite a lot of experience in the Welsh Prem, and to go and help this club get to where they want to be is something that I'm excited to try and be a part of.